My art space. Hello art space family and friend, and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can draw bear like with pen and ink, or if you are using some software. I use a Clip Studio to do that one, so you can also try this on, and I will show you step by step how you can create your terrified bear for your manga or for your for whatever purpose you want to draw the bear for. So without further ado, let's get started. We will start by the basic. You just draw a round circle that will represent the head of your bear, and in that circle you draw another one that will represent the nose, and you also draw the mouth and another circle or two other circles side by side to draw the eyes. This will indeed represent the basic anatomy of our drawing. So whatever bear you are drawing, you start by this, and this will really help you. And now we will try to implement what we have learned in our drawing. So let's get started. Opening a new page, as you can see, I start as the previous step. I start by my circle. I'm drawing the nose, my mouth references, and all those things in one layer. That will be my draft layer. I do the eyes. I prefer drawing my rough sketch and with a different color, and I choose blue in that case. So yeah, I think I pretty much get it. So I will jump to the next step. And when I finish and satisfied with the result, I also create a new layer, and I will start my inking process. But I also recommend another video that I will also link in the description below. It's about how you can draw your fur, and I think that will help a lot. So I will not take also the time while to thanks everybody who subscribes to the channel, and thank you very much. I do hope you find value in the different content that you are publishing, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. It will continue supporting the channel. Let's go back to our drawing. So once I finish with my inking, now I am just putting shadows. This part is really important. You have to first decide about where you want your light source to be. Once you finish, you decided about your light source, then you know that this part will be darker, and then we will continue step by step adjusting the shadows and the brightness part, adding more of a fur where it should be until we have it. I think this will be all for this video, and really appreciate you guys watching this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe, and send it for someone you think that might need some of those basic to draw his fur and to improve his art. So thank you again, and see you for the next video.